Step 1. The seat belt will be installed on the rear screws of the seat upholstery. Step 2. Remove one of the rear screws. Step 3. Take one end of the seat belt with the underside facing up. Step 4. Insert the end of the seat belt between the upholstery and the cross brace. Step 5. Insert the seat screw through the seat upholstery, then the seat belt. It is important to make sure the screw goes through the seat belt and stays in the inside of the seat upholstery. Step 6. Install the screw back into the cross brace and tighten. Step 7. Repeat this procedure on the opposite side of the seat upholstery.